Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn how to use DSers on Shopify. Let's get started. First open your Shopify admin page and navigate to the left side of your screen to find apps. From the list, click on all recommended apps to see the list of applications. Click on Shopify App Store. Look for DSers in the list. If you can't find it there, search for the application. Once you find DSers, start the installation process. If you are opening DSers for the first time, you will need to create an account. There are payment options, but for this video, let's try the free one. To link with AliExpress, click on the AliExpress and then register using your Gmail account. After that, go back to the DSers page and click on Find Suppliers. You will see a list of products with their price. Using the search bar to find the products you want to import. Select the products, click on Add to Import List. And then check the importer list. Push the selected products to Shopify by clicking on Push to Store. You will receive a notification that the product has been successfully imported. Now, go to your Shopify store and check the product page. You will see that the product has been imported successfully. Let's add one more product to our Shopify store. Feel free to adjust the title, the description, and the pricing of the products in your store. Thank you.